Hey, Bill here with Chacote Outdoor Recreation. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make a washing machine for a grid down situation. No electricity. All the tools I'm going to be using are non-electrical, and I'm going to teach you how to make a washing machine. One of the things you're going to need is, this is Feld's naphtha, and every prepper should definitely have this. Feld's naphtha, it's good stuff. This is a pretty simple project, but I'm going to tell you, having clean underwear, having clean socks, it keeps this going well, you know. It can be real discouraging for you not having clean clothes. And even if it's not the end of the world, if it's not SHTF, you know, hey man, electricity goes out from time to time. Things happen in your life. So it's always good to have a little backup plan. So learning how to make a washing machine, good skill to have. So stick with me, going to get pretty interesting. Okay, so what we've done is we drilled one hole for that. I want to show you guys the agitator. This was a plunger, but now it's an agitator because it has many holes in it. That's going to be your agitation system. Now, the first bucket is just filled with holes, right? And you can make any geometric design that you want to put the holes in there, but you want to have holes in the bottom and holes in the side, and it goes in the first bucket, which has no holes in it. Okay? So what you're going to load this thing with is some of the Feld's naphtha. We're going to go ahead and open that up. This stuff is prepper's best friend. You can do a lot with this. And it really doesn't take a whole lot. We're just going to get a few little flakes in there, a few little shavings. Not a whole heck of a lot. see, you've got the Phil's naphtha soap in there. So anyway, my thing is I like to walk into the garage and walk outside in my socks, and that will blacken up your socks and dirty them pretty bad. So this is the most soiled thing I have, are some socks I walked outside with, and you can see, you know, these are pretty nasty, man. They're pretty dirty, and we're going to try them out in the washing machine here, so see if we can't get them clean again. But I thought that would be a good test item. I walk around in my socks. Sometimes I do bad things. Okay, well that sound can only mean one thing. It's time to do laundry. So let's turn this son of a gun off before we have an issue. We've got good hot water here. Let's do some laundry, folks. We'll get this open and we'll pour. We'll open that part first. Pour some hot boiling water in there. Over that Phil's naphtha soap. Okay. Throw your dirty socks in there. Get this thing going. And we're going to work this thing. We're going to work it and make it happen. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed that. I've got some clean socks. Didn't take me very long. I did about 10, maybe 15 minutes of plunging. You have to do a rinse cycle, of course, with water. Same principle. You clean water in, plunge it, and you'll have yourself some clean socks. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's a lot of fun. If you ever have to clean your clothes out in the wild or during a scenario where there's no electricity available or just no washing machine, it's an alternative. And it got my socks pretty clean. I got to tell you, they were dark going in and clean coming out, and that's kind of what you're looking for. So anyway, till the next time I see you, this is Bill, Chacote Outdoor Recreation. You stay safe, stay warm, you keep yourself free.